How to create a dashboard in Jira. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a dashboard in Jira. If you don't know yet, Jira is a work management tool that lets you have a space so you can manage all your tasks, all your details, and others. So first you can open your Jira account and then go to your left side. On the left side, as you can see, there is more option here. You can click it. And as you can see, there is dashboard tab. You can click it. And then as you can see, there are two dashboards in my account. If you want to add more, you can just click create dashboard here. Let's say I'm gonna name it team 3 and the description for team 3, just for example. So for the viewers, you can choose private, space, or group. If you choose space, you can choose the space you want to give the access. Let's say I'm gonna choose private, so it's only me. And for the editor, also only me. And then after that, you can just click save and it's create my new dashboard. As you can see, this is my new dashboard, team 3. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.